Want to lose that stubborn belly fat in just 7 days. Welcome to a journey of transformation, a journey that's all about you. Picture this, just 1 week of commitment, and you could start seeing results. The secret, a combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. It's not easy, but nothing worth having ever is. With consistency and hard work, you can start chipping away at that stubborn belly fat. So are you ready to make a change? Stay tuned to find out the fastest way to lose that stubborn belly fat. First things first, your diet. You see, the battle against stubborn belly fat is half won in the kitchen. A balanced diet is paramount. It's like fuel for your body, and when you're trying to shed those extra inches, you want to make sure you're feeding it the right stuff. Steer clear of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. They're the culprits that sneak in extra calories and disrupt your metabolism. Instead, aim to incorporate more lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are not only nutritious, but also help to keep you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. And let's not forget about water. Staying hydrated is essential. It aids digestion, keeps your metabolism humming, and even helps curb hunger pangs. So don't skimp on the H2O. Remember, what you eat is just as important as how much you eat. Now let's get moving. Exercise is a key player in the battle against stubborn belly fat. Regular physical activity not only boosts your metabolism, but also helps in burning those extra inches off your waistline. It's not just about hitting the gym, it's about what you do when you're there, and even when you're not. Imagine a mix of cardio activities and strength training. Cardio exercises like running, swimming, or cycling help to increase your heart rate and burn calories, attacking that belly fat head on. On the other hand, strength training helps to build muscle, and more muscle means a faster metabolism. Now, when we talk about targeting belly fat, specifically exercises like crunches and planks come into play. These exercises focus on your core toning, your abdominal muscles, and helping to trim down that waistline. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It's not about how hard you can go in one session, but how consistent you can be over time. Consistency is key. Make sure to exercise regularly. Last but not least, lifestyle changes. It's crucial to understand that factors like sleep and stress have a significant impact on our weight loss journey. Not getting enough sleep can throw your body's balance off, hindering your fat loss efforts. Similarly, chronic stress can lead to unhealthy cravings and weight gain. Avoiding alcohol, another lifestyle change, can also speed up your belly fat loss. Remember, the goal here is not just weight loss, but holistic well-being. A healthy lifestyle is crucial to losing belly fat and maintaining overall health. In conclusion, remember the trifecta for shedding stubborn belly fat swiftly: a nutritious diet, consistent physical activity, and positive lifestyle alterations. These elements, when combined, can yield remarkable results in just 7 days. Start today and see the difference in a week. Thank you for watching.